Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you my pink and gray bathroom creation. And I was inspired by that wrapping paper right there. You see that flamingo? I was at the Dollar Tree store and I was looking at the rolls of wrapping paper, and I said to myself, wow, look at that. That fits the setting that I have in my head. I had in my head for a while to make a bathroom that was like grayish and pink, and that was perfect. So I took a box and I wrapped it up just like if it's Christmas and I'm wrapping up a Christmas box. I wrapped it up with the flamingo paper, and then I put another piece of the paper right on top of the tub, and the tub already has pink flowers, roses. Look at that. So everything just blends in. Then that gray plaid, like brick right there, that's just the paper that was the inside of a white envelope. So I just cut it out and look how nice it looks in there. Then these two pieces there, those are charms from Michael's, and hey, they look pretty there. This is a napkin holder right there. It's vintage. I got it in one of my yard sales, and I just added that gray silver button on top to make it a seating area. And then those two gray pieces are identical. Those are two odd pieces that I had, and I see shelves in them. So I started adding little things to it. Look, a little plunger, a little hat there, which is a button, an oversized miniature Pond's cream, little things that I added. Look at those roses, they blend in with everything. And then this figurine doll here, I bought it at a yard sale for about $12 a while back. And it was brand new. It was in a box. And look at the detail on her hat, her little purse. Look at that. It even has a painting down there on her dress. She's beautiful. And she adds like a nice touch to this miniature bathroom. And then this here, that little rug that I got a few of those at a yard sale right there. You see them? They're like knitted. So I used that one in this setting. Well, I think I covered everything. These are panty liner wrappers that I put there on the floor, and then I added a door from one of my dollhouses to make this bathroom look real. Well, I hope you like it, and maybe this is an idea for one of your miniature dollhouse bathrooms if you're into that. And if you're not, I mean, you could always start. You could start with a bathroom. Make it gray and pink, or pick two colors that you wanna do a setting on, and just stick to those colors and create something like this. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching.